Hello friends, today I'll show you how to WordPress theme install on cPanel, from cPanel. So this is the WordPress website. Alright, and this is the WordPress panel. There are in only three themes by default themes. Now I'll install. So I need to go to the file manager option from cPanel. Then you will see the file manager option. Then click on the public HTML and WP content. Then click on the themes. Okay. There in themes, I'll install my new themes. Click on the upload and I'll just drag here my themes. I'll install NIP theme. I'll just drag here. It is uploading. This progress value will be green when uploading completed. Yep, already uploaded completed. Now I back again to file manager and reload here. Then extract files. Extract done. Now back to WordPress theme panel and need to reload. Yes, theme install done. Now need to active and reload here. Yep, uploaded theme install done. So thank you for the watching. Bye bye.